Work is done when a force causes an object to move in the direction of the force. The formula for work is work equals force times displacement times the cosine of the angle between the force and the direction of displacement. Work is measured in joules. For example, if you push a box with a force of 10 newtons over a distance of 5 meters and the force is in the same direction as the displacement, then the work done is 50 joules. Energy is the capacity to do work. It exists in various forms and can be transformed from one form to another. There are two primary types of energy, kinetic and potential. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion, calculated as 1/2 times mass times velocity squared. For instance, a car moving at 20 meters per second with a mass of 1,000 kilograms has 200,000 joules of kinetic energy. Potential energy is stored energy due to position or state, commonly gravitational potential energy, given by mass times gravity times height. A 10-kilogram object at a height of 5 meters has 490 joules of potential energy. The law of conservation of energy states that the total energy in a closed system remains constant. Energy can change form, such as from potential to kinetic, but the total amount of energy remains the same. Consider dropping a ball from a height. At the top, it has maximum potential energy and zero kinetic energy. As it falls, potential energy converts to kinetic energy. Just before it hits the ground, the potential energy is zero, and kinetic energy is at its maximum.